Sa NBA Summer League, parehong naharap sa mga hamon sina Alex Sarr ng Washington Wizards at Bronny James ng Los Angeles Lakers. Si Sarr, na na-draft ng Wizards bilang number 2 overall pick sa 2024 NBA Draft, ay nagkaroon ng isa sa pinakamasamang laro sa kasaysayan ng Summer League, kung saan wala siyang naipasok na kahit isang tira mula sa 15 attempts, kabilang ang 0-for-7 sa 3-point range, at 0-for-2 sa free throw line. In short mga tol, itlog ang scoring performance ni Sarr. Sa kabila ng kanyang struggles sa shooting, nagawa pa rin niyang magbigay ng kontribusyon sa defensive end sa pamamagitan ng 9 na rebounds at 3 blocks. Samantala, si Bronny James ay nahirapan din sa kanyang performance, kung saan nag-shoot lamang siya ng 3-for-14 mula sa field at 0-for-8 sa 3-point range. Sa dalawang laro, si James ay may shooting na 6-for-26 at wala pang naipasok na 3-pointer sa 12 attempts. Bagamat may dagdag na pressure kay James dahil sa kanyang pangalan, ang kanyang shooting performance ay malayo sa inaasahan. Sa paghahambing, mas malala ang naging performance ni Sarr kumpara kay James. Si Sarr ay walang naipasok na tira sa buong laro, samantalang si James ay kahit papaano nakapuntos pa rin ng ilang beses. Gayunpaman, parehong kinakailangan ng dalawang rookies na mag-improve sa kanilang shooting para mas mapabuti ang kanilang laro at mapatunayan ang kanilang potensyal sa NBA. Samantala, naniniwala si Redick na si James ay maaaring maging katulad ni Lu Dort na isa sa mga pinakamahusay na perimeter defenders sa liga mula noong 2019. Inihayag ni Redick ang paghahambing sa isang interview sa Sirius XM Radio. Nasa Canada sa basketball exhibition game kami, sabi ni Redick. At lumapit ako sa isa sa aming mga assistant coaches sa gitna ng laro. At sinabi ko, sa tingin ko, si Lu Dort ay mag-isa lang na nagputol ng pang-8 possession ng laro. Ito ay karaniwan na kay Dort sa mga nakaraang taon sa Oklahoma City Thunder. Siya ang naging pangunahing pure defender nila sa loob ng 4 na season. Parang, ang impact niya. Hindi mo magawa ang iyong opensa, sabi ni Redick. Minsan, nauubos ang oras sa shot clock dahil sa kanyang ball pressure. Literal niyang sinisira ang buong plays dahil sa pressure na yon. At tunay na naniniwala ako dito. Si Bronny ay magiging katulad niya balang araw. Ito ang pahayag ni Lakers head coach JJ Redick.
Main team, potentially with the South Bay Lakers, what have those conversations, what's that thought process been like so far?
Yeah, Bronny and I have had a number of conversations. I actually had a conversation with him yesterday after practice, and he's a development player. That's how we're looking at Bronny. He's certainly going to spend time with the Lakers. He will spend time as well in the G League. As we sort of build out our player development program, he's going to be an important part of that. And what I've communicated to him right now, what we're looking for is defensive ball pressure. I told him this yesterday. I said, I don't care if you have 10 fouls. I don't care if you get blown by. What I do care about is if you're on the ball and you're 3 feet off the ball. Like, you have to be a guy that's a ball hawk at all times. We're going to develop his shot. We'll develop his ball skills. He's already got a great feel. He has a really good instinctive nature on the defensive end. I thought the third game in the Cali Classic, he made 8 or 9 really good defensive plays. We used the example yesterday. We were at the Canada-USA basketball exhibition game, and I turned to one of our assistant coaches during the game, and I said, I think Lu Dort just single-handedly broke up the 8th possession of the game. Like, his impact, you can't get into your offense sometimes. The shot clock winds down because of his ball pressure. He literally blows up entire plays because of that pressure, and I really believe this. Bronny eventually will be that guy.
For more news and updates, subscribe to MY channel and like this video. Until next time guys.